What if I told you that you can sit in your room in Nigeria and get paid in dollars just for teaching Yoruba, English, Igbo, Hausa, or any subject you already know? You do not need an office, you do not need a visa, you do not even need to travel abroad. Just your laptop, internet, and your voice. In this video, I will show you exactly how Nigerians, as you can see on the screen, are actually using Preply to earn $15 to $25 just for teaching students hourly around the world. Now, this website accepts Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria or the UK or in the US, you can actually sign up on this website and be using this website to actually make money online. Welcome back, beautiful people. If you are serious about learning how to make money online in Nigeria, earn in dollars, and find legit website that actually pay Africans, then you are in the right place. Today I will be talking about Preply, one of the most popular websites that pays you to teach online in Nigeria, and this website is actually legit. So what is Preply? Preply is an international online tutoring platform that connects tutors and students worldwide. Unlike some platforms that assign students to you, on Preply you create your own profile, set your hourly rate, and students choose you based on your experience, video introduction, and reviews. This means you control how much you actually earn on Preply. Let me tell you what most people use Preply to teach. They teach English, they teach Spanish, French, German, Arabic, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, and other languages. Also, you can also decide to teach mathematics, English language, exam preparations like IELTS, conversational practices. So if you have been searching for how to teach English online from Nigeria or how to make money online teaching languages, this platform is your go-to. If you have watched this video to this level and you have not subscribed to our channel, please do what to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to also encourage us to keep making more videos like this. As you can see, this particular lady, Oluwaseyi, has 7 recent bookings recently, and she is in Nigeria. She teaches $12 for just 15-minute lesson. Now she has about 7 reviews and they are all 5-star reviews. Now this particular guy has about 8 bookings. He teaches Yoruba and he charges $13 for 50 minutes. This particular lady, Fola Shade, she has about 20 recent bookings and she charges $18. So imagine you're charging $18 for just 50 minutes, which is actually an hour. So imagine how much you'll be making in about maybe 5 hours every day from Nigeria. One important thing you need to take note about this particular website is your intro video. It is very important. Your intro video should be clear and confident. You need to explain what you teach. Mention who your lessons are for. Show friendly energy. Explain to them in an easy manner. This is how you stand out, and it is how you get more booking. Now let's talk about the main deal. How much? On Preply, you set your hourly rate. Beginners usually start around $8 to $15 per hour. As you get reviews, you can increase your rate to $20 or $25 or even higher. Now, it also gets more interesting on Preply. It gets more interesting on Preply because you can decide to teach for 3 hours daily. So you are not limited to that 1 hour that you can actually teach on Preply. So imagine you teach for 3 hours daily at $15 per hour. That's about $45 per day. So multiply by 20 working days. That's about $900 in a month. Now this is serious money. I mean, it is real money if you convert it to Nigerian currency. It is about maybe 1.2 M. Yes, if you convert it to Nigerian currency. Now, if you want to know what how Preply actually pays you, I mean the payment method and all of that, Preply would actually pay you through Payoneer. Yes, Preply will pay you through Payoneer. They will pay you through Payoneer and pay you. I'm trying to look for languages for us so that we can see. In case you can't teach English, but rather you understand your language very well. I'm trying to look for languages for us so that you see. I have seen Yoruba and I've also seen Igbo. This is Igbo, as you can see. Igbo charges $12 and this lady has 8 recent bookings. Now for the payment method, they pay through Payoneer, through Wise, through direct bank transfer. So Nigerians can withdraw their earning using Payoneer or Wise. Now it is also important to note that Preply takes commission, especially from trial lessons. For trial lessons, you may not earn the full amount, but once students continue the regular lessons with you, you start earning properly. The longer you stay on the platform, the more lessons you complete, the lower your commission percentage becomes. So it means that the more you teach, the more you complete your lessons, the lower your commission is. So if you're getting much more views, you have to reduce your commission for them to actually bring you up on a lot of platforms. Now you need to understand that even Preply still does their own adverts. Now let me tell you how you can get students fast. It means that how you can get students to actually start booking you. You need to start with competitive price. You need to be active daily. You need to respond to messages quickly. You need to also deliver engaging lessons. Don't deliver boring lessons. You need to ask happy students for review. Reviews are everything on this platform. You have to ask them to drop their own reviews for you. With reviews. If you like this video, please do what to like. If you like this video, please do what to hit the subscribe button. Click on the like button so that more people will see our videos, please. Now this is perfect for students in Nigeria, stay-at-home parents, graduates, teachers, anyone who is fluent in English language or any other language like Igbo, Yoruba. Like this lady Osioma. Osioma is an Igbo tutor. This one Precious. Look at this lady Chiamaka. These are all Nigerians. God's grace, they are all Nigerians. You don't necessarily need a formal degree to start, but teaching skills and confidence matters. You need to be confident. The powerful thing about Preply is this: you are competing globally, not locally. You are earning in dollars while living in Nigeria, and because you set your own rate, your income can grow over time. It can grow over the years. Now if you know that you are not patient, please do not apply for Preply, because it is not an overnight scheme. It is not a get rich quick scheme. If you don't like speaking with people, please do not apply on this website. If you are not ready to prepare lessons, do not apply on this website. In fact, this may not be for you. If you're serious and consistent, this can become a strong online income stream for you. If this video has helped you, like this video and comment Preply. I will drop the link to this particular website on our Telegram, and the link to our Telegram will actually be in the description. Please do well to click the link in the description and join our Telegram channel. In our next video, I will show or share more platforms that can actually teach you how to make money, or more platforms that can actually help you make money online.